And everybody out there knows Lou Gossett Jr. as the guy who won the Academy Award for An Officer and a Gentleman, the guy who won the Emmy for Roots, but yet I know him, and I love him, as the Lizard Man in Enemy Mine.
You just watch yourself.
Lou, what the heck was that?
I used to do that as a kid, you know, in Sheepshead Bay in Coney Island. So when he was upset or emotional,
They would speak like this.
Combination lizard, kangaroo, a bird, a dog, and a little bit Stevie Wonder.
that's true, yeah. Well, you know,
Where does Stevie come in? I saw the character. Where does Stevie come in?
you know when he started praying, he'd go, Stevie Wonder plays the piano that way. He gets completely involved in his music and he starts to rock. So the character had a little bit of soul, you know. That was rough because that was 7 hours of makeup.